The Foolish Monkey short story. If you like the story, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting stories. So friends, let's start the story. It is a story of a foolish monkey who was living in the forest. Once upon a time, there was a foolish monkey in the forest. There was a small house near the forest. The monkey, who was living in the forest, and near the forest there was a small house. One day, the monkey became very hungry and could not find anything to eat. Monkey was hungry and rude as well. He did not find anything to eat and he was very hungry. He came to that house thinking that he might get something to eat. Obviously, it was a house. He was thinking that he might get anything to eat and fulfill his hunger. He entered the house. Nobody was there. He saw a box with a small hole in it. The box hole was too small. The monkey put his hand into it and he found some grains in the box. He became very happy to see that he has found something to eat. He seized a handful of grain. He filled his hand with the grains. He tried to take out his hand, but he could not. The hole was small, his hand stuck into the box. He said, I will not drop one grain of this handful of corn. He was very hungry and greedy. He did not even waste one of the grain from his hand. While he was saying, a house owner came. He saw the monkey inside the house. He became very angry. He took a stick in his hand and started beating the monkey badly. He did not like that monkey is taking his grain. Moral: don't be foolish and greedy. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.